So here's the thing. I believe one of the best way on how to actually be consistent at doing positive things like exercising, studying, practicing or meditating, literally anything, is to basically just do it together with our friends. On today's video, I'm going to be explaining what is the practical mechanism of implementing this principle, and secondly I'm going to be explaining why it's going to be effective. Hi, my name is Laksana, and this is March 22nd, 2025, and this is going to be day 257 of consistently helping people build consistency. So if you click on this video, that means you're a person that actually wanted to change your life to the better, right? And when you're a person that wanted to change your life to the better, big chances you actually surround yourself with people who actually wanted to change their life to the better, right? And if you currently don't have any friends that are also into self-improvement or improving their life, I suggest you to join some offline community, meet up with, some people who actually also want to change their life, improving themselves, finding the like-minded people, right? So the thing that we wanted to be doing here is that we are going to be creating a group chat, okay? Maybe consisting of 2 or 3 people, or maybe like 4 people. And, when I say, do the thing consistently with our friends, I'm not necessarily saying that, oh yeah, we need to do it on the same place, on the same time together. No. Well, that can be great if you can actually do that thing, but I kind of think like it's pretty unrealistic because, people got their own schedule, people got their own, place. They need to travel distances if you want to do that thing together. But again, if you want to do it together, that's okay. That's great. But on today's video, I'm going to be giving a more flexible solution to this, a more flexible, practical guide to this, right? So the thing that we are going to be doing here is that we are going to be creating a group chat, and the sole purpose of the group chat is to basically just uh, track for how many days we've been consistently doing some particular thing. Okay, so the thing that we are going to be doing here, first thing first, is that we are going to be creating the rule of the group chat. First thing first, we are going to determine what is the thing that we are going to be doing together. Is it exercising? Is it studying? Is it meditating? And if, let's say, it's studying, specify what does studying mean. Don't only say that, oh yeah, I'm gonna study, we are gonna study together. No, make it, like, oh yeah, we are gonna be studying, reading a book, or we are gonna read a book for at least 5 minutes every single day. So studying means reading a book for at least 5 minutes every single day. That's the definition of studying. That's the bare minimum. Okay, so again, you guys don't necessarily have to do it together, right? But the second rule is that you guys need to inform to the other member of the group, the other members of the group, that you guys actually finish your thing, that you guys actually do your thing, right? So, for example, okay, I can do the 5 minutes of book reading alone in my home, right? But then after I finish it, after I finish my task, I'm going to inform to the group chat that, hey, I've done my thing. Okay, maybe I can even, maybe the rule can also include, yeah, you need to send some evidence that you actually study. Maybe like, uh, uh, take some notes of it, and also like, send notes to the group, or maybe record yourself doing the studying. But this, like this evidence thing, this proof thing doesn't necessarily need to be a mandatory thing. You know, it's just like some extra thing that you guys can have or not. But yeah, just giving you guys some ideas, right? And also, the rule is the other members also need to inform to the group whenever they have done their thing, whenever they have finished their thing, right? So basically, in this particular group, we are tracking the consistency of each members, right? So why is this going to be important? Going on the third rule, right? So the third rule is that we are going to be creating a collective habit streak, meaning we are going to be counting for how many days we've been consistently doing this thing together. Let's say on day one, oh yeah, everybody actually done the 5 minutes of reading the book. Well, that means the collective habit streak is now at 1 day. And then the next day, everybody also managed to finish their thing. While the collective habit streak is now at 2 days. and so on and so on. Basically, like this trick is basically just a thing that we use to track for how many days we've been consistently doing this thing. But then the fourth rule is that whenever somebody don't do the habit without any clear reason, right? Except their, maybe like clear reason, including their being sick or emergency situation. If anybody, if one person or more than one person don't show up, uh, don't don't do the thing, well then the habit streak is gonna reset to zero again. It's gonna reset to zero again. Okay. So basically that's the rule, that's the system. So why the system is really effective is that one, because when we just have this kind of, collective habit streak together, we kind of have this new motivation, right? The new motivation to, yeah, I want to see the numbers go higher and higher together with my friend. We're gonna think like, oh yeah, this is something that me and my friends do, I and my friends do, and we want to see this as a collective achievement, a sign that, oh yeah, we actually struggle on a day-to-day basis to stay consistent together. Okay? So we are gonna be having the new motivation to actually still do the thing. Okay? And the second motivation is that the motivation not to reset to day zero again. Okay? Because we don't want to disappoint our friends, right? We don't want the streak that we've been consistently built from day zero got reset again. Let's say we've reached day 100 of consistently reading a book for 5 minutes every single day at least. We do not want this streak to go to day zero again, right? So that's why, even on the days when we are not feeling motivated to read the book, we are still gonna be having the new motivation, the extra motivation, right? Yeah, even if I don't really want to read a book today, well, I'm still going to be reading it. Why? Because I do not want to break the habit streak. Because I do not want to disappoint my friends, right? I do not want to go to day zero again, right? And also, we are going to be having some sense of attachment, right, to this streak. We do not want to go to day zero again. That's why, even though reading a book can be something that suck on some days, we are still gonna be okay. We are still gonna be doing it anyway because comparatively, not doing the habit, not doing the task, meaning breaking the streak, is gonna be even feeling way worse, right? Way more suck, right? So we are going to do the thing that's comparatively less suck, okay? And actually, if you just think of it, reading a book is the right thing to do anyway. It's the positive thing to do anyway, right? So basically, that's how you actually be consistent with your friends by creating a group chat with the sole intention to track how many days you guys been consistently doing that thing. And yeah, you guys don't necessarily have to do it together in the same place, in the same time. You can just do it in your own home, but you need to inform to your friend, right? Every single time you manage to do your thing. And keep on track of how many days you guys been consistently doing it and creating the motivation to keep on the streak, to keep the streak alive. So basically, yeah, that's it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you found this video helpful. And yeah, bye bye. Join our Discord. Oh, and yeah, for today's date, Authenticity post March 22nd, 2025, and Mimzar posted a Vincent van Gogh post last 24 hours. Thank you.